This is our study guide for 6. We're going to finish up this worksheet. We're going to do problems 7 and 8. So we want to write an equation of a line. Our equation is going to have a slope of 3 and it's going to go through this ordered pair. Well, if we already know the slope, then you're already halfway done with the work. Y equals mx plus b. We know the m. It's 3. We just got to find the y-intercept. This point is not a y-intercept. It would be if that was 0, but it isn't. Find the y-intercept. Plug the y value in. Plug the m value in. Plug the x value in. Solve for b. More times than not, the problem is going to look like this, more so than these fraction problems. We're going to simplify, and then we're going to get b by itself, so we're going to add 12 to both sides. So our y-intercept is 18. Put that right there. That's your answer. Number 8. We want a graph, or an equation, of a line that's perpendicular to the graph of y equals 4x minus 1 and passes through the point 6, negative 3. If you're going to be perpendicular to this line, what can you gather from this information? Notice how the slope here is 4 over 1. If you want lines to be perpendicular, you need to change the slope of this line so that it's perpendicular to another line. We're going to flip it and change the sign. So if our slope is 4 over 1, our new slope, I'll write it down here, y equals mx plus b. Our new slope is going to be opposite reciprocal to this. So our slope is going to be negative 1/4. I flip the fraction, I change the sign. I still need the y-intercept. That is not a y-intercept. That is not a 0. So find the y-intercept. I'm going to plug my y value in, use my new slope, use my x, solve for my b. I know this isn't reduced, but negative 1/4 times 6 is negative 6/4. I'm going to add that to negative 3. I'll use my calculator. Negative 3 plus, that's 6/4 that's coming over. So you end up with, hard to see with the glare, negative 3/2. That's really just negative 1.5. So if you want to put negative 1.5 there, you can. But this is your answer. This line is perpendicular to that line because the slopes are opposite reciprocals. It's also going to go through this ordered pair because we worked it out that way.